Every week, another company announces layoffs. Every week, another AI tool does what 3 people used to do. This isn't science fiction. This is your job. And it's next.
Welcome back to another video here at GraphX Academy. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to adapt your long-form YouTube videos into short-form content for TikTok or Reels. Once your main video is edited, the first step is converting it from a horizontal format to a vertical format. To do this, just right-click on our sequence and select Auto Reframe Sequence. A small window will pop up where we can adjust a few settings. What this does is use Premiere's AI to automatically track the subject's faces and keep them perfectly framed in the center. We can also tweak the motion tracking and configure the settings from there. Now that our video is properly set up in a vertical format, we need to adjust the sizing of our titles so everything looks right and stays on screen. You can also edit them directly within the Essential Graphics properties if you need to trim down the text or change what it says. So let's go ahead and open that panel up for now. Next, we're going to do the exact same thing with our lower thirds, our logo, and our subtitles. However, for the logo and subtitles, we're going to shift them right to the center of the screen. We're also going to add a headline at the top to give immediate context to whatever topic is being discussed in the podcast clip. This lets people scrolling through TikTok know exactly what the video is about in less than a second. Since so many people watch TikToks on mute, adding subtitles is an absolute must. Because of that, we definitely want to use a bold, high-impact font like Montserrat Black or Bold. Now, since our main goal with TikTok is to drive traffic over to YouTube, we're first going to pop up a promo card showcasing our YouTube podcast channel. After that, we'll add a call to action title that says, "Check out the full video."
Every week, another company announces layoffs. Every week, another AI tool does what 3 people used to do.
Or, this is the moment humans finally stop doing work that was slowly killing them. I'm James. AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies you.
And I'm Sarah. And this is No Filter. Goldman Sachs estimates AI could automate 300 million jobs in the next decade. That's not disruption, that's a mass layoff.
Every major technology shift was predicted to destroy work. Every single one created more jobs than it killed. AI is no different.
Tell that to the truck driver who's been behind the wheel for 30 years. What better job is waiting for him?
The tool is here. What you do with it is still your choice.
And if we don't decide, someone else will decide for you.
That's No Filter. Follow us. This is just the beginning.
But wait, we're not done yet. You can keep leveling up your skills with our From Zero to Expert courses at GraphX Academy. This is where you'll go from a beginner to a pro editor in no time. Plus, our courses are Adobe certified, so you're getting industry-recognized training. Head over to the link in the description and start your journey today.